Hi guys, welcome to Chit Chat Show organized by Awesome World Entertainment. Awesome World Entertainment is working for last 14 years not only in India but in different countries. They are into artist and celebrity management, corporate events, digital and media production and many more. To know more about it, you have to log in on the page of Awesome World Entertainment Int. वेल एज अ सेड दैट आज के जो गेस्ट हैं वो है शीतल मल्होत्रा जिनको हम अभी ऑनलाइन लेंगे। वो है मुंबई से जिन्होंने अपनी प्रोफेशन को छोड़ा अपनी पैशन के लिए और बहुत ही अच्छी मोटिव के साथ। तो आइए उनको ऑनलाइन लेते हैं और जानते हैं उनके बारे में। अभी आप 2 मिनट बने रहिएगा, मैं लेती हूँ शीतल को ऑनलाइन। थैंक यू सत्यजीत, थैंक यू अंकुश, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू हैव जॉइंड। Yeah, she will be online in just few minutes. Yeah, I'm just looking for her to join. I hope all of you are keeping fine and enjoying your Saturday. Yeah, just guys, keep some patience. She will be joining soon. Yeah, Sheetal. I have sent her a message. Yeah. Hi, Sheetal. Sheetal, if you're joined, I would like to join you online. Just I'm waiting for Sheetal to join. Hi, Sheetal. Sorry,
Hi.
there was a network glitch. Actually, yeah, I'm fine. Just I was not able to connect you for some time. Tell me, how are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just you're looking very pretty today.
Thank
The
you.
way
Can
you
you
are
hear
dealing with
me?
cakes. Yeah, I can hear you. Very nice. So, Sheetal, as I was telling everybody that you were working as graphic designer and you left your job due to, regarding following your passion. Just would like to know about how you just come, how you just left, just your journey about it. Just let me know about your journey from a
Uh,
graphic designer to a baker. Yeah.
from graphic designer to a baker, it was a long journey, a wonderful journey. I used to enjoy, in fact, I should say I used to love designing. Then एक हो जाता है कि अभी इससे बोर हो गए तो कुछ और ट्राई कर ले. But then cooking and baking was something which was my childhood passion. So this which I always wanted to take, but then it happens that if you belong to a middle class family, your parents and everyone says कि पहले भाई पढ़ाई complete कर लो and then go for the
Right.
other things. Yeah.
Right.
Though my parents was not happy me picking up the designing work, but then since I come from a family background जहाँ पे they come from a banking sector, few come from the engineering sector, and me picking up a designing thing was initial stage it was little bit different journey, but then picked up designing, then got bored with that. And my mother used to say, it's very difficult to catch hold of you because you get bored with things very quickly. I said,
Right.
yeah. So then after that, designing says, then something food and baking was something which I used to love to do. I still love. It's like a stress buster for me. So
Okay.
picked up, got married, and then came to Pune. Told my husband that I don't want to work anymore. So he said, "Yeah, then what you want to do?" I said, "I would just want to follow my passion." So this was my passion, and I went to IHM. Started
Okay.
with my baking sector, did a course on my baking, and yes, initially I was doing for I used to make chocolates, and then I used to make brownies for the event people, like for marriages and all. Then people started telling me, why don't you take a cake now as a, why don't you start off with a cake thing? Sorry for that.
Oh,
Why
it's
don't
okay.
you start with a cake? So yeah, then picked up a cake, and now I'm a full-time baker as a mother also, and a mother.
That's very nice. That's very nice. So you just now you're following your passion and you're happy with it, right?
Yes,
So
yes, very much.
very well. That means when we follow our passion, it's always a good option that if we can make that, you have some objective behind that, right? You are coming up with, I think, the workshop for the kids and the parents regarding the
Yeah,
baking and all.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
so
yes.
for how long you have been in this field? That's I need to know that.
Uh, I was there. That took a break. I was there. This is there like a 5 to 6 years journey. Before that, I used
Okay,
to do small scale things also. But since I love working with kids, I love them because I have seen parents not allowing kids to do many things when they get into the kitchen, and which I want to break that because same happened with me. My mom used to not allow me. So I just want to
okay,
break that barrier of a kid and their parents, I mean, their father and mother working together in the kitchen is a really good concept. So,
yeah, absolutely.
yeah, so when I came, I shifted here. My first thing was that I would start off with kids baking rather than the elder kids, I mean, the adults baking. So, yeah, it was a 5 to 6 years journey, which is still I still do it.
So your kids are also enjoying baking with you?
Yes,
Your
yes, very
kids?
much. Yes.
Very much. That's very nice. Actually, they are saying, mother and father working together. Now, this concept of women working in the kitchen is now, changing. That both of
Hmm.
them, your husband and wife. Now, you tell me that in the case with your field, but what kind of challenges you are facing? Like, means you are in the baking process. What kind of expectation does a client have, client have from you, or what kind of challenges you face? Means regarding
Uh,
you.
See, it happens that when you're baking and when a person comes to you, he comes up with some thought process. But in that thought process, he forgets that he has kept some budget behind it. So
Right.
a person coming up to you and he's saying, okay, I want this cake, I want this. And then we as a home baker specifically, uh, even they love to put their dreams into a particular cake or any dessert things. So when you're putting so much effort and the customer comes to you and saying कि भाई हमको उसको 500 रुपए में करा के दे दो, then you're putting this effort and it dooms down and it comes to like 500 रुपए में, it is like even we have to think. So this has happened many times that the customer is coming to you and asking for okay तुम ऐसे कर लो वैसे कर लो, and at the end he is saying कि भाई तुम इसको can you just fit into. I'll give you an example that a person coming to me and asking that I need a wedding cake. So I said, okay. When you start off with a wedding cake, asking the people a journey like what exactly you want on the wedding cake. So how many people are going to come? So we take andaza of that much, ki how many people are going to come. So maybe she said that it is around 70 people from my side. So it is total around 150 people in total. Then we
Okay.
said, okay, around like 7 to 8 kgs would be decent, and we make a two-tier or three-tier cake for you. But then a person is saying, oh, after looking at whatever the design, everything, and the person is saying, oh no, I just want a 2 kg cake. And then we say, how is it going to be possible? Like, then अच्छा कुछ भी बना लो आपको जो बनाना है. So that challenges we keep on facing. Or
That
some
means somehow you are going to compromise with the design or the theme behind it, because since it is a wedding cake and for 100 people's minimum 3 tier to 4 tier is required, to cover
yeah,
the your
yeah.
theme total.
So
So this
we,
kind,
in fact,
yeah.
we home bakers, we always try to make it something which is like fitting into the budget of the person, then trying to make it such a way that even they should get like, see, other person, it is like a two-way job. Even they should like the
Right,
design, and even we should be satisfied that whatever we are giving is a good thing or not. So
right.
challenges are many. It's not just like I'm just pinpointing one of them, but then there are many things which keeps on coming, and it's an everyday learning for us.
Yeah, yeah, very true. And just the thing is that when the lockdown started, the lots of changes has come, lots of changes have come. Just I need to know that how lockdown treated you, what you have learned in this lockdown,
Uh,
or how was your business during lockdown? Was your people were ordering the cakes?
Yeah, they
हाँ.
were ordering. In fact, I was very happy that my husband's Mausaji, like even we call him
Okay.
Mausaji.
Uncle, maternal
So
uncle, yeah.
yeah, so he told me that Sheetal, even you are the one of the part of the people because you तुम sweet बांट के सबको मीठा यानी खुशी दे रही हो.
Wow.
So yeah, so I was very happy with that because people were not getting things. The things were shut, and people are just calling me कि आप so much cake बना दो या so much things बना दो हमारे लिए because we are not able to go out and now going out and buying something. So there was no celebration in the house. They used to just celebrate this way by ordering
Okay.
cake and desserts for me. So that way lockdown was good for me in my business
And
also.
what new things you have learned in this lockdown? Means since it is 4 months, I think running, right? So what different things? First of all, we all, feel a little bit, shaded off or depressed, like क्या हो रहा है, आगे क्या होगा? So how you means manage from then and now? What is the difference?
Oh,
How you come up with all this?
initial period was very difficult. It feels like everyone is getting coronavirus. It used to feel like, yeah. So no, but then in good ways, like I started my YouTube channel. I started experimenting more things. I more of cooking things. Started learning many things. In fact, I love painting, and something which I wanted to do for a pretty long time was Madhubani painting. So I started painting. I started doing Madhubani painting. In fact, we are very much thanks to these channels which keep on helping you out for your passion and for your. So I think so most of the people in lockdowns has picked up the passion or things which they were not able to do for a pretty long time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
true. And I have seen your cakes. They are wonderful. Means I have just watched your video and subscribed it too. This is like, the all the cakes were so awesome. And other than cake, you have made lots of things. So just tell me
Yes.
about all those things also. Means how your cake is different from what we get in market. I know it is
Um,
absolutely full of love and sweetness from your side. That is one point I got it from you watching your cake, and I am very prone to sugar. I have a sugar tooth. So the thing is that the more I want to control it, and if I see all those cakes of yours and anywhere, I used to keep start hogging. So just tell me about how your bakery is different from what we get in market. So
uh,
in that way, how you can compare? Yeah.
for market, like I prefer not to cover my cakes in fondant. That is my major thing. I don't like covering the cakes in fondant. Second thing is that whatever I put my effort, it's like a person come up with a very simple idea. In that simple idea, I try to कहीं पे तो designing skills, कहीं पे तो use किया जाए that worm which keeps on running
Yeah,
into
yeah,
my
yeah, yeah.
I have to use it somewhere. So I'll give you a today's example only. This is a lady who is sitting in Bangalore and she wanted to gift her father-in-law, who is a big fan of Mohammad Rafi and Kishore Kumar. So she
Okay.
wanted just to do a post-it on it. I said, can we do a vinyl record because they would love such kind of things. And last year also had done the same thing. Like I had made a nice uh, a good carton for him. And this year I had made a vinyl record for him. So,
Wow.
yeah, so something I love to keep on changing. So if the person comes to me and asks me, okay, they have a very simple design concept in their mind, or they are like completely blank. So I tell them, can I put my skills or can I put my thought process into it? And then if it works for you, then it is good. So in fact, this loves them a lot that they say that okay, आप अपना कुछ idea skills डाल रहे हो, then try to fit into their budget. So I always ask them that what is your budget. So I know as a mother, as a homemaker, every person comes up with a budget. वो cake हो या फिर कोई भी like even if you buy a vegetable from the market also, we come with a certain budget. So I always try to ask them that what is your budget. If I can fit into that budget, I'll definitely do it and I'll give it to you. So this
Because you
is
have to customize also, you have to put that hard work also. It requires a lot of hard work, and since you
yeah,
are giving this kind of flexibility that you have to fit their budget, because यही
yes,
चीज नहीं मिलता है. when they have charged in outside markets, see, when we go to buy a market, a small piece of cake is whatever they are putting, lot of cream or fondant kind of things, but they are charging that much. But since you are trying to fit their budget, this is very, unique thing. I'm looking at this.
Fondant things. I'd make a fondant toppers, but then I said that I don't like to cover it in fondant because cake is something that you need to enjoy. You should not spoil your that particular moment when you cake is क्यों हम बनाते हैं? For खुशियों के लिए. We cut
Right.
cake for other reason, but only for happiness. So that is the reason it is like a cake should be enjoyed completely like a cake. No
Yeah,
other
cake should be cake.
yeah.
कोई उसमें और कोई दूसरा चीज नहीं, the pure means pure, right? You always
Yes.
go by your thought behind the cake when you are baking or something like that. So I have heard about you have come up with a concept of chocolate Ganesha scene. So what is the your motive behind that? Means, how do you come with this chocolate Ganesha and Visarjan kind of thing? I have heard and seen in the Facebook. So just can you tell me something about that?
Actually, this was, I think so, 4 years back. We always wanted to keep Ganesha because since I had 2 miscarriages and I had told Bappa that whenever I get a baby, so once the baby turns 5 years old, I'll get you into my house. Before that, I used to keep, but then I had the last time when I said Papa that, okay, I'm not going to get you anymore. The time when I get a baby, you're coming into my house and the baby turns 5. Thanks to Bappa, he gave me a double prasad. I have twins. So,
twins, wow.
Yeah. So we were just walking on the Chowpatty beach after the Visarjan, and kids were 4, and I'm just making them prepared for. Okay, we also next year we are planning to get Bappa to our house. So how we should do? We'll also do something like this celebration. We'll decorate it and all. And we are walking, and my son just stepped on the Ganpati Bappa's hand, and he was so depressed by that. And even I mean, you
during Visarjan.
Yes, yes. I mean, I have seen like the way they keep the murtis and the after the Visarjan, how the murti has been treated. That was really heartbreaking. So it was as a baker, as a chocolater, I always wanted to search that something in your field which you can do it like to get something different. I know people make murtis from clay and all, which I really appreciate. And now these days, even plant a seed murti has also been started. So something which is like chocolate se या फिर cake से कुछ बन सके ऐसे I thought. Then just Googled it. I saw one lady. She had done a murti in 5-star. So our first murti was done very small one in 5-star. Then we thought that why not we should do it in such a way that people should start adapting that, okay, it is a chocolate Ganpati. I still face problems. It's not that the people has adapted so easily, and it will take a long time for people to adapt. This is something which is a reserve for people who will change slowly and steadily. So I had made this from past 2 years. I'm making chocolate Ganesha, a pure chocolate Ganesha. This year we are planning to add some more flavors. This year I've made a sugar free because I got an last year a person visiting and saying me कि कुछ जो diabetic patients के लिए है, so something like that, even they can enjoy your Ganpati. So this year I have started with sugar free, and my personal Ganpati, I'm going to make it like an almond Ganpati. It's almond chocolate Ganpati.
Okay.
Yeah, so this journey is going to take time, but this journey is just started, and I want to educate people more and more that please go eco-friendly. And it's not just chocolate Ganesha. You can buy any clay or any house plant Ganesha also. People don't like chocolate Ganesha to buy because it's not just people. My parents also, when I thought about like doing something like this, my father was saying, "Oh, is it okay? Because what happens that Ganpati ko hum kha nahi sakte." And then I said, it is a simple process कि जब आप प्राण प्रतिष्ठा करते हो, तो आप जब गणपति को विसर्जन करते हो तो उसका हम प्राण अपने पास रख लेते हैं. So after while doing विसर्जन, it is just a clay model, but then people are ready कि वो टूट जाए, people are ready कि वो dump किया जाए, people are ready कि वो उसको हाथ को तोड़ा वोड़ा जाए, but people are not ready to mix it in the milk and have it. So
हैव इट। उनको कॉन्सेप्ट है कि गणेशा को हम खा जा रहे हैं, मतलब पी जा रहे हैं, ये नहीं सोच रहे हैं कि द काइंड ऑफ प्रसाद वी कैन हैव। वो ये सोच रहे कि उनकी शक्ति को हम ऐसा सोच, मतलब सोच ऐसी चीज लोगों की हो गई है कि दे ऑलवेज पिक अप द नेगेटिव साइड। हम इन्वायरमेंट को खराब करें, ये जो कंसिक्वेंसेस जो हम झेल रहे हैं, बिकॉज ऐसा है कि हम ही रीजन है जो आज हमारे साथ हो रहा है। आप ग्लोबल वार्मिंग देख लो, ये कोरोना वायरस की चीजें देख लो। आज क्या है, आज हम घर पे बैठे हैं, गणपति आता है 10 दिन हम एंजॉय करते हैं और उसके बाद फिर उसको तोड़कर भीड़ में, जैसे कि आपकी बताया कि अपनी बेटे के पाँव में जब गणपति पड़ जाए,
एग्जैक्टली,
तो कितना बुरा लगता है फील।
नेक्स्ट डे आप जब जाते हो गणपति का देख, नेक्स्ट डे क्या आप बस 1 घंटा 2 घंटा रुक जाओ कोई भी चौपाटी या कोई भी लाइक विसर्जन स्थान पे, एंड देन यू विल कम टू नो दैट इट इज सो बैड टू सी दैट पूरा वो प्रोसेस। ऐसा नहीं, इवन आई लव गॉड, इवन मुझे भी प्यार है, सब कुछ है, बट आपका प्यार से वो 10 दिन तक रहता है। पीपल आर स्पेंडिंग मोर ऑन द पंडाल, पीपल आर स्पेंडिंग मोर ऑन द मूर्ति,
शो ऑफ्स या बाकी सारे शो ऑफ्स के ऊपर।
But you all are not ready to spend on the proper which is there, like जिसकी जरूरत है, जिसका ये है। Like I'm seeing every day today the people are asking for decorations, people are asking for mukut, and people are asking for उसका हार and everything. But why people are not in that thought process कि भाई तुम जो ला रहे हो गणपति वो कुछ तो इको फ्रेंडली हो, आप अपने घर पे बना भी सकते हो, that is also best thing. But rather than buying, क्योंकि हम वो कारखाना में जा चुके हैं। बिफोर मी स्टार्टेड विद द चॉकलेट गणेशा, हम कारखाना में भी गए हुए टू सी व्हाट एग्जैक्टली, एंड ट्रस्ट मी आई कुडंट स्टैंड फॉर लाइक अ मिनट, बिकॉज वो कलर, इतने गंदे कलर यूज किए जाते हैं, एंड द वे दे स्टेप ऑन इट, द वे दे वो जो सारा मूर्ति के ऊपर, इट इज वेरी बैड टू सी दैट प्रोसेस।
माय गॉड, तो यही चीज हो जाती है। लोगों को समझने की बात है कि हमको इन्वायरमेंट की तरफ में जो है हमारा कंट्रीब्यूशन चाहिए। अब ये क्या है कि जिस तरह से सिचुएशन से हम झेल रहे हैं, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड इट। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि हम उसको ले रहे हैं या पी जा रहे हैं। समझ लीजिए कि भगवान का प्रसाद है और आप उसको ग्रहण करके शायद आप में उतना सद्बुद्धि आ जाए कि इन्वायरमेंट को आपको बचाना है।
Right. In fact, मेरे mailer में also we say the same liner that just think that you are taking Bappa within you. Don't say think that you are
the qualities are getting into you. Yeah. अभी देखो अगर यही, क्योंकि एनिमल्स की देखो चॉकलेट्स भी आती है, अभी वही एलिफेंट में आए, यही चॉकलेट अगर एलिफेंट में आए तो बच्चे खाएंगे, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। पर ये गणेशों को लेकर अगर हम बात करते हैं तो पीपल आर गेटिंग बायस्ड। अब ये गणेशा का जो रूप ले लिया तो इट इज समथिंग एल्स। द थिंग इज दैट यू नीड टू नो द रीजन बिहाइंड इट। एटलीस्ट इतना ही समझ के करिए कि एनवायरनमेंट के प्रति भी हमारा कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है जिसे हमें करना है। इट इज अ वेरी नाइस कॉन्सेप्ट। और आप दूध एंड चॉकलेट एंड होममेड चॉकलेट से बना रहे हो, मे बी आप भी सीखिए बनाना, सो दैट कि वी प्रोटेक्ट आवर एनवायरनमेंट, which is very important.
मैंने ये भी प्लान किया है in future, like if the response is good, maybe I'll take a few online classes on this. It would be a free classes that the people should know how to. It won't be like a big गणपति बनाना है। In fact, गणपति हमेशा लाना चाहिए तो छोटा लाना चाहिए। मैंने किसी पुजारी से सुना हुआ था कि whenever you look at the Ganpati, you don't look up at the Ganpati. I mean, the Ganpati should not look up to you. You should look like हम नतमस्तक होके ये करते हैं। तो जब भी लाओगे छोटी मूर्ति लाओ, कोई बड़ी लाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं होती। इनफैक्ट आई पर्सनली रिक्वेस्ट कि अगर आप क्ले का भी बनाते हो घर में, ट्राई टू मेक इट अ स्मॉलर वन, डोंट मेक इट अ बिग वन।
जस्ट अटैच विद द फीलिंग। मेरी कहने का मतलब है आप फीलिंग के साथ अटैच रहिए, आप उनके गुडनेस के साथ अटैच रहिए। बड़ा छोटा ये मैटर नहीं करता जब तक आप उनके फीलिंग के साथ अडप्ट नहीं कर पाते। और बच्चों पे ये ज्यादा असर होता है। मैंने देखा है कि 10 दिन से बहुत पूजा करते हैं और 10वें दिन के बाद उनको जिस तरह से विसर्जन किया जाता है वो उनके मन में घर कर जाती है कि ये क्या, ना 10 दिन तक हम पूजा कर रहे थे, अभी इनको डंप कर रहे हैं। तो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली मतलब हम कहाँ लाई करते हैं, मुझे समझ में
I've seen kids crying also कि
हमें खराब लगता है, विसर्जन के लिए डांस तो कर लेते हैं, पर जब उनको विसर्जन किया जाता है, अभी क्या छोटे छोटे टैंक्स बनाते हैं, अभी रिवर्स पोल्यूटेड हो रहे हैं। वी आर अल्टीमेटली व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर गेटिंग बैक। पोल्यूशन फैल रहा है, पानी की कमी हो रही है। तो कम से कम इतना दिमाग रख के मैं चाहूंगी कि ये जो आपके थॉट और ये चेंज लाने की जो बात कही है शीतल, ये सबको समझ में आए, क्योंकि ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि इसकी मोटिव क्या है। और
कि अगर ये आप खुद नहीं दूध पी सकते तो आप प्लीज गरीबों में बांटो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। एटलीस्ट कुछ नहीं तो उनकी दुआएं भी मिल सकती है. So it is not something के आपको ऐसा डर लग रहा है कि मेरे को कुछ हो जाएगा. I am doing it from past 3 years. मेरे को आज तक कुछ नहीं हुआ, touch wood. My husband is good, my kids are good. So this belief जो लोगों का है कि कुछ हो जाता है, ये हो जाता है, वो हो जाता है. I'll tell you, till date my parents are not ready for it, but I am ready for it.
One day will come, I think they are going to be proud of you because उनको अभी नहीं समझ में आ रहा. आज से 5 साल बाद या 3 साल बाद जो भी टाइम लगने वाला है तुम्हें ये आइडिया को टोटली थ्रो और एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए, आई थिंक दे विल अंडरस्टैंड कि मेरी बेटी ने हमसे 10 साल पहले ही जो सोच लिया है हम बहुत देर के बाद सोच पाए हैं. आई थिंक जो इनिशिएटिव तुमने लिया है सच्ची में, मैंने भी जब इसके बारे में देखा तो मुझे भी थॉट आई कि बहुत बड़ा चीज है जो हम समझ नहीं पा रहे, क्योंकि कोई भी रिवोल्यूशन आने से पहले भूचाल तो आता ही है, वो तो सबको पता है.
right.
तो ये वही वाली जो है स्टॉर्म है या भूचाल जिसे हम कहते हैं, लोग बोलेंगे, बात करेंगे, और कहीं ना कहीं जैसे कि अभी आज की सिचुएशन देख लो, हम क्या है, हम घर पे बैठे हैं. कल कोई सोच सकता था कि हम घर में 2 दिन में बैठ पाए? हमें काम करने की आदत है, बाहर जाने की आदत है ना. सिचुएशन इज लाइक कि हमें बैठना ही पड़ेगा फॉर आवर सेफ्टी. तो ऐसे ही समझो कि आपको क्या एनवायरनमेंट के साथ चाहिए और किस तरह से ट्रीट करना चाहिए. आई बेग ऑल ऑफ यू टू ट्राई टू नो द वैल्यू of environment and keeping environment safe, and what she is saying must adopt that. And आपकी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के बारे में बता दीजिएगा कि हम भी उसको बताने जा रहे हैं कि आप कौन सी मेल्टिंग वेज चॉकलेट नाम का आपका जो है वो साइट है, ये उसके बारे में मेल्टिंग वेज यूट्यूब चैनल में है, तो काइंडली इनकी चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करें और जाने.
यूट्यूब इट इज एप्रन स्ट्रिंग वीकेंड कुकिंग.
ओके, ये आपका यूट्यूब चैनल है. और कहीं और ऑनलाइन या फेसबुक पे आप ले रहे हो या फिर any other online classes you are taking?
YouTube पे ले रही हूँ classes करने YouTube पे, because it is free and people are really bored sitting home. तो उनके लिए मैंने ये start किया, especially weekends के लिए. हर बंदे को like what we have started is like जो बंदा बाहर restaurant में जाने की कोशिश कर रहा था, and I myself I love to go out and I have to, अच्छा लगता है बाहर का खाना, because I love to try different types of food. So this is something special for what you can make for your friends, not friends but family right now. So that was the reason हमने ये apron string weekend cooking start किया है.
Okay, so you have started during this lockdown और पहले से start किया था? So lockdown बहुत लोगों के लिए लॉकडाउन बहुत लोगों के लिए काफी अच्छा साबित हुआ कि लोग अपने ऊपर काम करना शुरू किए. दे नो कि मुझे पैशन, अभी लोग पैशन के लिए जी रहे हैं. अभी ऐसा हुआ कि हमें क्या अच्छा है, अपने आप को ब्रश करना सीख रहे हैं, समझ रहे हैं. तो ये बहुत अच्छा है, क्योंकि मैंने भी यूट्यूब चैनल ही लॉन्च किया था. यूट्यूब में बैठे बैठे वो कुकिंग, वो डिफरेंट कुकिंग है, नॉट केक्स. सॉरी, आई एम नॉट गुड एट बेकिंग, बट आई विल लर्न फ्रॉम योर यूट्यूब्स. एंड आई हैव सीन दैट सो, मतलब क्या बताऊं, इतने अच्छे अच्छे केक्स आपने बनाए. आई डोंट नो, वो आर्टिस्टिक माइंड जो आप शायद ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग में करती है, वो आपके अंदर में बहुत बड़ा आर्टिस्ट छुपा हुआ है जो उभर उभर के आपके केक में आता है. तो हम जनरली क्या करेंगे, छोटा सा कुकर में बनाएंगे. दैट आई एम हैप्पी कि मैंने बेक तो कर लिया एटलीस्ट, और इसमें बहुत मेहनत हमको देखने में इजी लगता है.
I try to make the recipes बहुत simple. I don't try to make it like very exorbitant. जो घर में चीजें available है उससे ही मैं रेसिपी बनाने की कोशिश करती हूँ, ताकि it is easy for a person also. I know due to lockdown बहुत difficult हो जाता है चीजें मिलना. अभी भी बहुत सारी चीजें जो मेरे actually list बहुत बड़ी है, and every day it is like okay मुझे ये बनाना है, वो बनाना है. In fact I should say मुझे रात को ना recipes दिमाग में आते हैं. I get up, I write down, and then उसके ऊपर मुझे कैसे काम करना है, वो मेरा वो माइंड, वो थॉट प्रोसेस चलता ही रहता है.
एंड यू नो, गणपति जो है इंटेलिजेंस के भगवान है, तो वो चीज होता है, ऐसा लगता है कि आप इतना ज्यादा गणपति को ग्रहण कर लिए कि सारा का सारा इंटेलिजेंस आइडिया सब रात को आपको ही आता है, और सुबह उठ के आप दिस इज समथिंग. देखो अभी ऐसे ही होता है ना कि रात को सोते हैं रिलैक्स क्या सोएंगे, हमारे दिमाग में आइडिया आ रहा है. वो गणपति आपको सोने नहीं देते, बोलते कि नहीं शीतल आप ये करो. सो कमिंग विद लॉट ऑफ ब्यूटीफुल आइडियाज. तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि कुछ कुछ इनोवेटिव चीजें करते रहना. राइट,
I want that all the ladies should try something like different. जो लेडीज जो लेजी होते हैं, बोलते नहीं भाई ये नहीं हो पाएगा, ऐसा हो पाएगा, क्यों नहीं हो पाएगा यार, कुछ तो होना चाहिए यार. I mean, whenever a person tells me कि यार तुम ये बना सकते हो, I said I'll make it. Why don't you try it? I mean, I'll definitely make it for you. It is not that, but why don't you try it? नहीं, मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. My elder sister, जो इतने सालों से she was not cooking, now she is sitting in New Zealand and she's an expert cook. My friend who was staying in Singapore, now she has become a good expert person. तो मैं उनको यही बोलती कि क्यों नहीं हो पाएगा यार, हो पाएगा, हो जाता है, सब कुछ हो जाता है। एंड थैंक्स टू दिस लॉकडाउन कि हम लोग को इतना हेल्प कर दिया है कि सारे घर में
राइट,
बैठे बैठे एक्सपर्ट हो गए हैं। तो
सही बात है। तो बहुत अच्छा, मतलब वही मैं बता रही हूँ, परिस्थिति एक ऐसा चीज है, लोगों को बहुत कुछ सिखा के जाता है कि
या
नहीं? हमारा जो
राइट।
हाँ, तो जो हो जाता है, बहुत कुछ हम सीख गए हैं, सीख रहे हैं, और लाइफ में सीखना बाकी है। और मैं एक चीज बोलना चाहूंगी कि फ्यूचर में कभी प्लानिंग है कहीं आउटलेट खोलने की, या यू वुड लाइक टू मतलब ओपन एन आउटलेट और समथिंग लाइक दैट, बिकॉज यू हैव सीन सो मेनी आइटम्स इन योर यूट्यूब एंड योर फेसबुक पेजेस। तो बहुत सारी चीजें, केक ही नहीं, आप कुछ और भी बनाते हो। तो वो सब की मतलब कभी सोचा है कि इसको लेकर हम कुछ आउटलेट वगैरह खोलें,
So,
ऐसा कुछ
in
प्लानिंग?
future, not as an outlet, but I would love to open something like more on teaching basis. Like,
ओके।
so जितना मैं सिखा पाऊंगी, मे बी थ्रू द यूट्यूब चैनल, और पता नहीं फ्यूचर का एक्चुअली देखा जाए, आई एम सेइंग ना, इनिशियली आई सेड कि आई एम, मेरा माइंड हमेशा चेंज रहता रहता है। तो इन फ्यूचर अगर ओपन एन आउटलेट, वेल एंड गुड, बट वुड लव टू राइट अ बुक, वुड
वाह, ऑन
या
कुकिंग।
वुड, यस, ऑन कुकिंग। भाई मेरा वही पैशन है, आप मुझे जितना भाई कुकिंग का बना लो, जितना भी आप मुझे बोलो कुकिंग के बारे में, बेकिंग के बारे में, आई कैन डू लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स इन दैट। बट
और
यस, या
लड़कियां तो कुकिंग से भागती हैं, ऐसा है कि उनको किचन में ही नहीं रहना, बाहर ही रहना है, वो ज्यादा वो किचन से भागती है। ये बहुत सरप्राइजिंग दिखता है आजकल कि लड़कियां कुकिंग में इंटरेस्ट लेती है। एंड मतलब एक ऐसा है कि मतलब नहीं तो कुकिंग, ये किचन में खड़े रहना हमसे नहीं हो पाते, बेटर है जॉब कर लो, लोग
yeah,
जनरली
you
करते
know
हैं।
what happens to me, it is like I can't do household work. I, as a homemaker, if a person says कि do a cleaning and all, I'm very bad in doing that. आप मुझे बोलो कि भाई 20 लोग आ रहे हैं खाने के लिए, आई लाइक, मेरा पूरा वो मैपिंग हो जाता है कि अच्छा मुझे ये खाना है, स्टार्टर्स में ये बनाना है, मेन कोर्स में ये बनाना है, डिजर्ट भी बनाना है, एंड आई क्विकली वो पूरा राइट डाउन करते हैं, और मेरे दिमाग में फिर वो स्टेप्स आते हैं। But if you tell me to do house cleaning work, I'm still thinking on how to finish that work.
तो अभी लॉकडाउन के अंदर में तो क्या हो रहा है कि बाई भी तो नहीं आ रही है, तो हाउ यू मैनेज? वो
uh,
तो फिर करना ही पड़ता है।
Manageable. Thanks to my husband also, who's helping me a lot. In fact,
ओह,
he
वेरी नाइस।
helps in all the things. It's not just घर का काम तो सारे husband है करता है. This is the person who has pushed me out. I'm a very
ओके,
laid back, lazy person. So he's a person who has pushed me out in doing everything to follow my passion. So this is one thing he always keeps on saying कि घर पे एक person अगर अपना passion follow करे, so it's more than enough. So he said, you follow your passion and I'll do the work, and don't worry about what is the finance or the house, how it is handling. So everything. In fact, I should say thanks to my whole family, my mother-in-law, my brother-in-law, my husband, my kids, they all support me. It's not just one person.
right.
So
So that means you're very lucky enough that people are really supporting you. So that's what my question was, ki what is the key to happy life, a key to happy relationship
yeah.
according to you? हाँ, तो what is the key to happy
It
relationship, say being a
is, in
husband and wife, or
it is not a one person. It is a help from which my whole family has helped me. It is not just my husband who has helped me. It is my whole family. My mother-in-law is, she still helps me. If I go somewhere wrong also, so she'll still say, okay, Sheetal, you are wrong. Don't feel bad. But she tells me, okay, you should have done this way. And I try to improve that, because that is someone who is giving me a proper comment. Your friends, your other like colleagues will say ye ki acha ho gaya, ye ho gaya, but then I always want a serious comment from people that what I am doing, is I'm
genuine
going,
one?
yeah, the genuine,
Hmm.
I'm going, it is a good part or no. So that way I have never seen anyone's brother-in-law helping out in if I'm going out for a cake delivery, and if I'm doing something, if my husband is not able to help me, he comes to help me, and he has
Yeah.
never said no for it. My husband is always there. I need him somewhere around me. It is like I need him somewhere. Today also I told him, can you sit next to me? He said, I'm sitting inside. I'm not going to watch anything. So he said, okay. Then my kids are, they are also darling. They always help me because if they know that I am working around, so they won't come into my bakery room. बिल्कुल नहीं आएंगे, वो देखेंगे भी नहीं, और इनफैक्ट कोई आएगा या फिर फोन करेगा तो बोलेंगे मम्मा इज वर्किंग, सो प्लीज कॉल लेटर. So they are very helpful. Like अगर देखा जाए as a baker, I have a stock of chocolates. I have stock of so many products in my house, but I have not seen my kids going and touching my things without my permission. What permission? They don't even. I don't need. I did like blindly. I can trust them that okay, वो लोग जाके नहीं उसको touch करेंगे. और कभी आके मैंने गनाश बनाया हो तो उसको lick करना. Never they have done it. So they know that where are their boundaries. They know that they should not interfere in my work. So it is not just one person's support, it is a whole
everybody is whole family the support system. Yeah, right.
Yes,
so it's very lucky, and I just God bless your family with this such a lovely people they are. So ऐसे ही रहो. आसपास जो लोग करते हैं, I'm sorry there was interruption, right? So आसपास के लोग जो आपको सपोर्ट करते हैं, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. एक लड़की के लिए आपको चाहिए नहीं, बस एक सपोर्ट कर दो मुझे, so that I can live my dream. So this is something that the biggest thing we get in life, right? So Neha, okay. So there is some kind of rapid fire round. We can say that a short question from you. It's nothing like for general knowledge, just a general question. Okay. I would like to ask you. Okay. Your favorite color? Your favorite color?
Black.
Wow, mine too. Your favorite one-line quotes? Your favorite one-liner or your favorite quote, which keeps you, motivating in your life?
Wow. Keep trying. Keep learning.
Keep learning. Very nice. Your true companion?
My husband.
Wow, he's going to again propose you tonight. So okay, your favorite food?
This is not something like a rapid fire round. This is like a big list.
फटाफट जो first जो पहला चीज है जो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
जो इंडियन हो और मॉम के हाथ से बनाया हुआ.
मॉम के हाथ का बनाया हुआ है, कुछ भी अच्छा लगता है.
Fish. Okay. I love fish.
You love fish. Very nice. Your favorite holiday destination?
Holiday destination. In fact, my home. I'm a lazy person, so I love home. Yeah.
Okay, and your first ever crush?
My first ever crush. Oh, yeah. It's not my husband.
वो बोलेंगे
my childhood friend.
Your childhood friend. Okay.
Yes.
So the worst advice you have ever got?
Worst advice. Please dress up. You try to dress up, like try to put up some makeup and try to dress up properly. Try to dress up for an occasion, which I never do.
Okay, so you don't like it. You prefer to be like natural and simple. Okay, yeah. And what kind of, any one line, any one word which describes you?
Always reserved. I would love to open up. I want to be like very, whenever I enter, that people should look at me, but I can't do that. So that's me. Always reserved and always in the corner somewhere.
But you should not. You should, you just flow your beauty. You are a beautiful lady with a sweetness, lots of sweetness in it. Now, I would like to ask you one more question. I'm not going to say that what your husband is going to think about. Who will be the first person other than a husband you would like to date after this lockdown? Other than your husband?
My kids. I love to go out.
No, not a family member. Not a family member. Any other.
My childhood friend, who is still my friend. He is still my best friend. So
wow. So you're lucky enough that she's still knows about it. My God, आपके husband को प्रणाम बोलिए हमारे तरफ से. So this is something that this is what I call a bonding. Whenever you are transparent with your the partner. Yeah. It is very important to I just say that कि ये ट्रांसपेरेंसी जो होती है एक रिलेशन के बीच में बहुत ही की जो है रिलेशनशिप का बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट की है. तो ये जो आप बोल रहे हो बहुत लोग नहीं बोलते. तो ये जनरली क्या है कि ठीक है childhood crush can be a friend for a lifetime. So see you are going for a date and say I'm going to accompany you after that. Let me see who you. If he is that handsome enough, call me up. So, Sheetal, very nice interacting with you. You're a lovely lady, I must say. And I know this, the chocolate Ganesha का जो motive है आपका, people को समझ में आए, लोगों को समझ में आए,
Yes.
environment के प्रति जो आपका प्यार है, वो लोगों को समझ में आए, तो हम कहीं ना कहीं एक जगह पे आ जाएंगे, जहाँ पे हमें लगता है कि हमको really में meaning समझना चाहिए कि हम environment के साथ हमें कैसे deal करने चाहिए.
Very true.
दूसरी बात
Very
क्या है
true.
कि आप जो है, आप लाइफ में ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहिए, कनेक्शन में रहिए और अपनी यूट्यूब चैनल चलाते रहिए, हमको खिलाते रहिए. और एक एडवाइस जो आप या कुछ व्यूअर्स के लिए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आई वुड लाइक मतलब नो कि आप व्यूअर्स को क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कोई एडवाइस या किसी भी तरह का?
Because as a baker, I would advise that trust your baker. It's not just me. Any person you are giving an order to, please trust in. I know it is sometimes it happens that a baker is not able to fulfill your work or whatever whatever you want it. But जो बेकर काम करता है उसका पूरा थॉट प्रोसेस वो अपनी जान लगाता है, बिकॉज कोई भी बंदा अपने ऊपर बैड नेम नहीं चाहता. ही ऑलवेज वांट हिज ब्रांड टू बी अ गुड ब्रांड. So try to trust them. It is both the way this thing. As a human being, I would say that keep learning a lot. There is no end to learning. Today, I am not reached to that level. I keep on learning. I keep on experimenting. Keep experimenting. There is no end to experimenting. It is not just in cooking or baking. It is in any field. Whatever you are doing, keep learning and keep on. And one thing which I want to say is, which I had learned when I was working for Reliance, there was one security fellow, and that fellow told me that, one thing you should always do is on your tongue and on your face, keep a smile and keep your tongue sweet. So, which I always learn, and whenever I prefer that, rather to keep a smile on my face. And second thing is when you talk to someone, यार प्यार ही बरसना चाहिए. So,
सही बात है. वो तो दिख ही रहा है कि बस सो स्वीट, वो हमेशा वो जो स्माइल इंटैक्ट है स्टार्टिंग से लेके अभी तक. इट इज समथिंग गॉड की मतलब गॉड की ब्लेसिंग है आपके ऊपर में, बप्पा की ही ब्लेसिंग है आपके ऊपर में. एंड रियली अ लवली इंटरेक्शन विद यू शीतल. आई होप कि टाइम हम स्ट्रेच कर पाते, कुछ और बात कर पाते, लेकिन बस टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट है इसलिए हमें जाना पड़ेगा. बट इट वाज लवली इंटरेक्टिंग विद यू शीतल. कीप इन कांटेक्ट एंड टेक केयर. सो थैंक यू. लाइफ में हर इंसान अपनी खूबियों को लेके आता है, उस खूबियों को पहचाने और आगे बढ़ते रहें. और जिसे इन्होंने कहा कि सीखते रहें लाइफ में, और हमारे लाइफ में अगर हम बोर हो जाते हैं, इसका मतलब ये है कि हमें आगे की चीज जो है वो हमें नहीं लुभाता या अट्रैक्ट नहीं करता. तो ऑलवेज कीप लर्निंग फ्रॉम एवरी लिटिल थिंग्स इन लाइफ. एंड नेक्स्ट एपिसोड तक आप अपना ख्याल रखते रहिए एंड कीप लविंग मी लाइक दिस and keep intact with for the next show. And next show हम एक और धमाकेदार लोग मतलब गेस्ट को लेके आ रहे हैं, तो stay tuned for that. and अपना ख्याल रखते रहिएगा. और जिन्होंने ये चैनल मतलब ये आज का एपिसोड जो मिस किया है, YouTube में आपको मिल जाएगा, लिंक में मिल जाएगा. Keep in touch. Till then, goodbye.